Time to switch out my fall plants for these spring colors. These arrived 12 pack. Literally bend them and fluff them however you like. They do have a plastic variegated leaf with the silk flowers that come in a variety of colors to match your landscape. My favorite things about them, it's one of the easiest, simplest ways to upgrade any outdoor plants or decor. They have a big fullness, so the 12 bundles immediately create that instant curb appeal. I love how they are adjustable and so easy to put in, customize the height. I love how they integrate with each other, and they're very vibrant. They are a silk petal, but look great from the distance. I like to put them in the back of my driveway as example. The 12 bundles really did add that volume and spill over that I was hoping for. Great for versatility. Love the UV resistance for durability. My other artificial flowers from this company have held up really well for the sun, the rain, all the seasons, and have held their color. No watering, no pruning, no maintenance, just seasonally replace and enjoy. And they look really great in vases, planters, things of that nature. Overall, instant full blooms without maintenance, consistent color spring and summer. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.